So, students, let us see this problem. A particle is projected upwards with a velocity 40 meters per second, taking the value of g is equal to 10 meters per second square, and upward direction is positive. Plot AT, VT, and ST graphs of the particle from the starting point till it further strikes the ground. So here let us see the particle is projected upwards in this direction. So that means it will go some height h, and it reaches the velocity. The velocity can gradually decrease and reaches at some point. At some point A, the velocity is 0, and again it will come back and increasing the velocity. Here the gravitational acceleration g is working downwards, right? So is here the initial velocity what is given. We are going to write the initial velocity u is equal to 40 meters per second, and the taking the value g is equal to a is equal to minus g upward direction minus g, that is equal to minus 10 meters per second square, and he is asking AT graph and VT graph and ST graph. All these three graphs, there is a time t, so we have to find here the value of time t. So the time t is equal to total journey for time t is equal to total 2u by g, that is equal to 240 by g means 10. So this is 8 seconds. So the total journey is 8 seconds time, takes 8 seconds time. So that is so a is known here, t is known here, the velocity u also here, and s means the height you see a maximum height attained here, maximum height attained here, attained is equal to u square by 2g. U means here 40 into 40 by 2 into g means 10 to 2 is 80 meters, 80 maximum height reach. So let us draw the graphs. First graph is ACAT graph, graph, right? Let us take on x-axis time t, and y-axis acceleration is there, but here the acceleration is negative acceleration minus 10. So that means you see in minus direction, this is acceleration also negative acceleration, and it is a constant acceleration. So whenever it is constant which is parallel to the x-axis, so minus 10 value the acceleration in this direction. And also how much time it will take, 8 seconds, it is total 8 seconds it is working, so 8 seconds. So this is the graph of AT, and let us draw the graph of VT. So here you see, let us take some this is a t, this is a v on y-axis 0. In entire journey the velocity gradually decrease, and the starting velocity is 40. So positive 40, it's starting and where time t is equal to 0, and t is equal to 0, and gradually to attain maximum height, to reach maximum height 80 meters, the velocity is gradually decreased and reach 0 value, and then it will come back again and comes to the ground. That means the direction of the velocity is negative, and you see in 8 seconds is 4 seconds it happens. After the next 4 seconds it will again come back to this, and you see this one is minus of 40, spot t. So this is t at 8 seconds. This is the graph of vt graph. And also you see here, let us see the graph of third one is equal to st graph is given. You see this one st graph, this is right, this is t, and this is yes. So if you projected upwards, when the time varies, it reaches some height, that is 80 meters height it reaches, and again it will come back and down to at 8 seconds it is comes to 0 value. So it starts here and reaches maximum height, and it will come back here like this. So this one is in this way, So this is the graph for st graph for this motion, right? It is 80 seconds. The maximum height, the time will be 4 seconds. So thank you.